A career in chemical engineer. Meaning of chemical engineer. Chemical engineer is responsible for the design and maintenance of chemical plants and the development of chemical processes for converting raw materials or chemicals into different valuable forms. He combines his knowledge of chemistry and engineering for the production of chemicals and related byproducts. This branch of engineering covers areas from biotechnology and nanotechnology to mineral processing. It covers various fields of chemical technology in mineral-based industries, petrochemical plants, synthetic fibers, petroleum-referring plants. To name a few of them. Why chemical engineer? Relatively a new discipline of engineering, this branch of chemical engineering has shown a swift expansion during last half a century. This has led to an increase in the importance of the chemical engineer as a career. They design equipment and operate chemical plants as well as determine the problems and find the best methods of production. Candidates looking for a chemical engineer as a career should be able to work for long hours with a lot of patience and commitment. Chemical engineer eligibility. Chemical engineers should have good maths and science skills, particularly chemistry, good problem solving and analytical skills and planning and organizational ability. They also possess excellent IT skills, the ability to manage projects, budgets, and people, good spoken and written communication skills. They have the ability to work as part of a team and a clear understanding of the commercial application of science. They should possess supervisory skills and experience using chemical laboratory equipment. How to become a chemical engineer? Option 1. First one is to get admission in diploma in chemical engineering after clearing 10 class from a recognized board. Step 1. After clearing 10 class, the interested candidate has to appear in an entrance test conducted by the technical education boards of various state governments, and selected candidates are admitted in the diploma in chemical engineering course according to the rank of the candidate in the entrance exam. This exam is generally held in the month of May-June and consists of objective type questions on the subject of English, physics, chemistry, mathematics and aptitude. Step 2. After successful completion of diploma in chemical engineering, candidates can either join some job as a junior engineer or can take up lead exam to get admission in the second year of a degree in engineering course which is provided by some of the regional engineering colleges of the state. Second option. The chemical engineering aspirant can opt for 10+2 followed by the admission in the chemical engineer college. Step 1. After clearing 12 class from a recognized board, the aspiring candidates need to take engineering entrance exams like joint entrance exam of AEEE to get admission in B. Chemical engineering, in some of the reputed engineering colleges of India, like Indian Institute of Technology and Punjab University, etc. Step 2. After successful completion of a B chemical engineering course, the chemical engineer is ready to join government, semi-government, or private sector as an assistant engineer. The graduate chemical engineer who is interested in the academics and research work can opt of higher qualification as ME, chemical engineering, followed PhD in chemical engineering or related fields. Top institutes of chemical engineering: Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai, Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University College of Engineering, Pune, Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, Mumbai, MIT College of Engineering, Pune. Chemical engineer career prospects. The job prospects and career options of a chemical engineer are vast and different. This can vary from petroleum and petrochemicals to food, materials, specialty chemicals, plastics, power production, environmental control, waste management, and biotechnology. They can also find jobs in areas such as processing, operations, or manufacturing, research and development, design and construction, finance, and teaching. In the public sector, chemical engineers are employed to solve environmental problems such as waste and water treatment, environmental regulations, and recycling, on energy sectors such as energy conservation and research on alternate energy sources and health-related research projects, defense establishments, and atomic power plants. They can also get employment in service industries such as scientific research and development services, particularly in energy and the developing fields of biotechnology and nanotechnology. Chemical engineer salary. Graduate chemical engineer in the private sector can draw Rs 25,000 to 30,000 as the starting average salary per month. Whereas in public sector organization the chemical engineers are well compensated for their little lesser salary by other perks and allowances in addition to government accommodation, medical expenses as well as free/concessional traveling passes for their immediate family members and dependents. Top recruiters or company name: UPL Limited, Coromandel International Ltd, Tata Chemicals Ltd, Pidilite Industries Ltd, Arty Industries Ltd, Atul Ltd. Thank you.